All right. Namaste, namaskar. Good day to all of you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, whichever part of the world. Today, I'm super excited and so excited and humbled to have a video interview case with NRI Chaiwala, Mr. Jagdish Kumarji, who is the founder, CEO, director of NRI Chaiwala. Jagdish Kumarji, namaskar, pranam, and welcome. Sir, yes, welcome to our VIT AP University, to VIT AP School of Business. And every week, what we do is, Jagdishji, we take people of amazing, passionate people who have done so much in entrepreneurship, in startups. So I'm so happy to tell you, I got to know about you from a friend of mine from the US, from Illinois, in Chicago Booth School, in Chicago, which is the capital of Illinois, and they have a university and a school of business. And they told me about you. I was like so fascinated. Then when we researched and got to know that there's a passionate person who has done so much. So my dear friends, just a little bit about Mr. Jagdish Kumar. Google doesn't know him as Jagdish Kumar. The whole world knows him as NRI Chaiwala. Right? So you need to type NRI Chaiwala. Right? Can you believe a person making 1.2 crore business selling chai? Okay, that's none other than Mr. Jagdish Kumar. Is right with us. Sir, thank you so much and welcome to the show. Yeah. So Mr. Jagdish Kumar,
thank you very
company,
much.
Yeah, they sit in Delhi. And I would like to first show the website to the audience about sir, what he does, what his company is all about. And then from there, we can, quickly take it up. So there we go. What we'll do is I'll just quickly share. So for the benefit of audience, Sarji, this is sir's website, right? nrichaiwala.com. And that's about sir's things and media. Sir has been covered across all the newspapers, news channels, interviews, more than 350 meetings on news, and you name it, sir will be there. You can see there. I'm so proud. Right? So many TV channels have covered him, and today sir has taken his time out of his busy schedule. All right, these are all the news channels. You can just go to the website and check how many interviews. All right, just by selling chai. All right, so that's there, and so many products. You can see there: Ayurvedic chai, tea leaf, tea bags, tea sachets, kids tea, international tea sachets. So a widened scope. All right, and that's an Instagram page of sir. I'll also share everything in the description below so that you understand. And the beauty is there's a franchisee model you can see here. So many franchises have taken. So whoever you're listening to, all right, if you get inspired by this great person, NRI Chaiwala. Okay, so 2-3 lines about sir's education. Sir did his BCom in Delhi University, and then again went on to do BSc Hospital Management, and that's also again from Delhi. And then quickly worked with ITC for a few years, then went to Bahrain, worked there in the hospitality industry, and then went to New Zealand for long years. So having over 15 to 16 years international experience, sir decided to come back to India. Right, so it was around December 2018 or 2018-17. Kabage, when did you come back?
December 2018.
Okay, December 2018, my dear friends, a green card holder in New Zealand, a green card holder, left everything, heard about Startup India culture, heard about entrepreneurship and culture, want to give back to the country something. And Mr. Jagdish decided to leave the green card, come back to India. The whole world wants to go abroad, get green card and settle. And here we see a true Indian who wants to give back to the nation, and so inspired by the startup culture, by the present Prime Minister Modi ji, his ideologies, his expansion into business. And When you read his website, I'm so impressed that one day I want to have chai with the Prime Minister Modi by doing chai business. It was not an easy struggle. So in this short interview, we'll discuss straight from Mr. Jagdish Kumar, who is the founder director of NRI Chaiwala. Was it so easy, to start a chai business, 20 years in abroad, having a green card, coming back to India to start a business, all right? So, Mr. Jagdish sir, let me turn the mic to you. My simple question was, why did you leave your luxury job in abroad, that too in New Zealand with a green card? Why did you come back to India? Over to you.
First of all, Samuel, I would like to take this opportunity and thanks you and all the listeners, whoever is here. Uh, yes, this is very hard to accept that somebody who had very luxurious life, having a green card, and one day he left behind and came back to India for selling tea. That's right. But I'll just merge few things in that one. My background, I'm from a hospitality background where I used to have a lesson of beverages like a tea, coffee, and all. And why did I choose tea? Because tea is India's most consuming and most producing product. After the water, tea is there only. But unfortunate situation is this: we are most producing, but still we do not stand anywhere on international market. If you will go to India's five-star hotel, even India's five-star hotels, you will get the tea from Sri Lanka or from few other part of world. But Indian tea does not have their stand, does not have their position. So that is only the reason I choose tea. There is a lot of chaiwalas and all, but the difference between other chaiwalas and me, I believe in innovation in tea. I work in health sectors. I work how to prevent illnesses or give much more benefit health-wise to all the peoples in tea, basically, because the tea is very, very common and very common product. I mean, you are taking anything in the tea, it will help you. So that was only the reason. I was in abroad. I did not have any solid ground to come back to India. When I heard about Startup India, I was very much influenced with Honorable Prime Minister Modi. I do not belong to any party, but I appreciate the policies whoever the government has. So Modi's, which they have given a Startup India, it was very great. So I just thought it's a very good reason for me to come back now. I left behind my green card, my business, wrap up everything, and then finally I came back India.
Wow. So you came in December 2018.
Right.
Right? How did your journey start? Was it so easy? People say NRA, paisa hai, they have a lot of money. How was it? How did you start your startup? How did you start a starting story or a story behind the story?
What happened, Samuel? There was two ways for me. One was when I came back, I opened my luxurious cafe and start selling chai in that one. The another one, what I believe is because I do not have business background or business in my blood. So I believe to work on ground level, whatever the business is, you must have knowledge of few things. Like one is product, what you are selling. Second is people to whom you are selling.
Whom you're
And
selling.
market, people basically किसको आप देना चाहते हैं, किसके लिए आप बनाना चाहते हैं.
Yeah.
So I just decided to start from scratch. It was not very easy for me. I realized later on when I just walk in local street of Nagpur, I approached so many corporates like Infosys and many others. But finally, what happened is the journey, whatever the business you are doing, journey is not a very easy job. So I tried a lot, but they did not entertain me at all. But I just keep walking, keep approaching to them. When I didn't get any result, then finally I decide, okay, leave the corporate, target the employees. So there was a hub in Nagpur. There was a door where all the corporates came out. I managed one table, one few pots and all. I start making tea there. The good thing about is when the corporate people comes, I used to talk with them in English. I had a very good quality of chai, and the name I have given was most important. It's attract them a lot actually. So few of them said when they heard about me, I'm NRI and have spent 15 years abroad. I had my own restaurants, my business, and I'm selling tea. They made fun of me as well.
Mhm.
Few of them appreciate me at all. From there, the NRI Chai Wala journey start basically.
All right. So you started literally on a street, on a roadside, on a hub in Nagpur.
Yes.
Okay. And that's where you started. But wherever we are seeing you on the TV, on the news, on the newspaper, more than 350, media coverages, a lot of awards. Okay. Yeah. And everywhere they say 1.2 crores of business just by selling chai. Now, my question to you, Mr. Jagdish, you did not do your MBA.
Right.
You did not do your BBA. You did not do your business studies, Ivy League school, IIMs, kuch nahi. All right. So, can you tell the viewers, is it that you have to have a management degree to do a business, or what is that, a message of you to the viewers?
Well, first of all, let me correct you. It is been now more than 500 media.
500 media. Wow.
500 plus media. And yes, you do not require MBA degree for the business. If you know 4 things about your product, what you are selling, about the people to whom you are selling, and must have a long vision as well. You must have good knowledge what you have to do and when you have to do, basically. So I made 1.2 CR. That's right. When I said, as I said, I was approaching to corporates when they did not entertain me. So I start from scratch. What happened is all the employees of corporates, they had a very much impressed from me. They approached to their admin. There is a guy selling tea. He's NRI. He had very good variety of tea. The tea is very reasonable price wise. Why are you not allowing him to come inside?
Okay.
So that was the moment I got the call from admin, come inside.
Wow.
So that was my first case when I got a little room in Infosys, and then many more corporates. And within 8 months, when I started tea, I started selling snacks and then some meal as well. So that was only the reason 1.2 CR. But the name NRI Chai Wala is after a few days when I started from scratch, I put a board. I was thinking what name I should give my, to my tea counter. I thought I am NRI and selling chai, so why not NRI Chai Wala?
Wow.
Where the words gone out. And then when I do remember when the pandemic, the corona was approaching India, there was the first case came in China, and another one in India. When that was the time I was the first one who launched immunity booster chai. So in India, I was the first one who launched immunity booster chai.
Wow.
I do remember there was my first interview when the India TV came to know there is a chai wala who is selling immunity booster chai to prevent people from the COVID. So they came, they said to me, we can come tomorrow morning for the interview. The whole night I did not had a sleep at all. I was thinking what they're gonna ask me, what I'm gonna answer them. I was not aware. I just leave it. Okay, we'll see tomorrow. That was my first interview, and then the words gone out, newspapers, magazines, and channels. They keep coming. I was keep innovating the in tea sector. People are start liking me. They started interviews me as well. So the journey is just going on.
So what I understand is you show quality. As a professor of entrepreneurship, I tell my students, run behind quality, quantity will come running behind you.
Right.
Quality के पीछे भागो, quantity वो तेरे पीछे भाग के आएगा.
Yeah,
and that's what happened in your life. You were doing the best on the street, and word of mouth spread about you. Okay. Right. Now every business needs scaling up. You scaled up from one place, from Nagpur to Delhi, to so many. How did you scale up? Now, how many because in your website we see, people can even ask and get franchisee with you. So first tell us, how did you scale up? Kahan pe hai abhi? And then we'll go to your Instagram. I saw you're doing variety of businesses, even stores and all. So let's talk about it. But how did you scale up, Mr. Jagdish Kumar?
Okay, Samuel, before the scale up, I must tell you, I had a background in hospitality where I was food and beverage manager. I was looking after almost 14, 15 F&B outlets,
Hmm.
including some bars, restaurants, cafes, and all. So that was all the things I was doing for someone else, basically from the last few decades or couple of decades, you can say. When I did my own business, it was very easy for me to organize all these things. So I started from Nagpur, and then I did in 5 cities. I had 12 cafes. There was a waiting time of half an hour for having my tea. That was, thank God.
Half an
So
hour.
yes, half 20, 15 minutes to half an hour, just a waiting time.
Wow.
Uh, what happened is I started in corporate sectors only. I was not aware there is some uh, thing like COVID will come in future and will attack each
बंद
and
कर
every.
देगा पूरा. Yeah.
I was one of them as well. So
Yeah.
during the pandemic, all the corporates went back. They started working from home, and the
Hmm.
outlets shut down. But that gives me another opportunity. They can stop selling me, sorry, they can stop me to selling chai in within the premises, but they cannot stop chai patti at
Patti.
home.
Yeah.
So I went to the FMCG market now. So
Wow.
those who are having a tea in cafes, they are having a chai patti now and making a tea for themselves at home.
Wow. So you converted a
So I'm,
uh, you converted a problem into an opportunity where
yes,
because everything got shut down, you started doing sending and selling the chai patti, the tea leaf back to home.
right,
Wow.
right.
So I just want to show maybe go through the your Instagram because it's amazing to see you are doing a lot of work. Is it on the screen, sir?
Yes, it is.
Okay, we're so happy to see your quotations and amazing thing. I was just going through your, yeah, I think so. These are your pics and NRI Chaiwala, all this, and yeah, can you just tell a little bit about this thing? Boost immunity. Yeah, this one, this poster.
Okay, we were all aware that the COVID was attacking to them those who has a weak immune system.
Mhm.
So I just thought to merge few things in chai, which do not only enhance the taste of tea, but give the health benefit or
Wow.
boost their immune system. So the first thing I use some like muleti and kada. So it help us lot to strengthen our immune system.
Mhm.
So these are some non-alcoholic beverages. It's not a tea like a citrus fruit where I was just supporting everyone to have some immunity booster drink. In this post, what I can see.
Wow. Yeah. And these, okay, this is one, this is Meliti Chai stuffed. And very happy to see top industrialists, politicians, giving you appreciations for their work and meeting. This shows your entire, passion for work. And we are very sure that, one day, not just our prime minister, but many countries, will take uh, your work. And can you just tell a little bit about this? Is this the first one which you started, you yourself working on it?
Uh, that is of my second first picture. Second first picture. Why? It is this is a picture of my cafe where I'm making a tea basically.
Okay.
But I'll sorry, I was not aware you are going to use my pictures. Otherwise, I would have sent you
No
some pictures
problem.
in the street where I was selling the chai.
Okay. Okay. We will do that yeah, we'll definitely do that in the next, this thing, Haji. Yeah. So my next point is how you need to have funding. Yeah, many startup founders, many startup students, or early startup founders, they find it very difficult to get the funding, seed funding, Series A, B, C, or they say bootstrap kar lo, khud ka paisa dalo. What did you do? How did you manage your finances?
Okay, in finance sector, basically, to be very honest, in India, it is very easy to say once we'll grown up, we'll get some funding. But on a very bottom level, the seed funding is very, very crucial stage where you work hard, you struggle a lot, your idea is very solid, but you didn't get the funding. Reason is the fundraiser wants to see what you have done,
Yes.
and the uh, entrepreneur, they
Yeah.
want some fund to prove themselves.
Yes.
So this is the communication gap basically. मैं मेरे पास बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है, मैं सब कुछ कर सकता हूँ और मैं करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन फंडरेजर चाहते हैं कि पहले उनको मैं अपनी बैलेंस शीट दिखाऊं कि मैंने क्या किया है,
Yeah.
और मेरी सूचना है कि मुझे बैलेंस शीट बनाने के लिए ही फंड
पैसा
चाहिए,
चाहिए.
पैसा
Okay.
चाहिए.
So there's a
So
gap.
the first round of funding, which we called seed funding, it is very difficult to get. But if you manage somehow from your family, some friends,
Yes. So you started about telling about the seed funding and finance. Yeah.
Samuel, one more thing I would like to add. In India, one thing what I am lacking is the policy. Policy is good, but the implementation of policy is not such as a standard. Means एक छोटा गरीब बच्चा जो एक गांव के अंदर इन्वेंशन करता है, उसको गवर्नमेंट ये कहती है कि आप एक सीड फंडिंग ले सकते हैं बैंक से. ही गो टू बैंक्स, बैंक्स कहते हैं कि बिजनेस रिपोर्ट दो, बिजनेस डेक दो, विच विल कॉस्ट यू 45,000 और 50,000, और बिजनेस रिपोर्ट बनाने के लिए उसके पास में इतना पैसा नहीं है.
Yeah.
उसे कहाँ से कौन सा लोन लेना है, किस तरीके से लोन लेना है, जो सपोर्ट सिस्टम इंडिया के अंदर होना चाहिए. एक ऐसा बेसिकली जो मेरा एक दो ही मेरे विजन है इंडिया के में. एक तो चाय के विजन को मैं चेंज करना चाहता हूँ, चाय के स्टेटस को मैं चेंज करना चाहता हूँ, सॉरी, वर्ल्ड लेवल पे, कि जहां पर भी चाय की बात हो वहां पर इंडिया का नाम सबसे पहले आए. अगर कोई सबसे अच्छी हेल्थ वाली चाय है वो इंडिया से है, अगर कोई सबसे अच्छी फ्लेवर वाली चाय है वो इंडिया से है. मैं चाय के ऊपर ऐसे ऐसे इन्वेंशन कर रहा हूँ कि इफ यू आर गोइंग फेसिंग सम डायबिटीज प्रॉब्लम, उसको हम कैसे प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं, कुछ इस तरह की. कुछ सेक्स प्रॉब्लम पे भी बात करूंगा मैं, जो कि आपका स्टेमिना बूस्ट करती है. क्योंकि हम किसी पार्ट को देखिए, हम इंडिया में बिहाइंड द कर्टन सब कुछ करते हैं लेकिन ओपनली कुछ नहीं बोलते, जो कि बहुत ही अलग बात है. तो कुछ ऐसी चीजों पर मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. आई मेड योगमाया चाय. योगमाया चाय में इतने सारे हर्ब्स स्पाइसेस है कि जो आपको एक बहुत ही बड़े लेवल पे आपको एक रिलीफ देते हैं. तो वही सारी चीजें, इन सारी चीजों पे जो चाय इन्वेंट करना चाहता हूँ कि कहीं पर भी दुनिया में अगर कोई बात हो तो वर्ल्ड में केवल भारत का ही नाम आए कि अगर कुछ चाय है तो भारत से है.
ये वाला ना योगमाया चाय.
Yes, that is the immunity booster चाय. योगमाया चाय. You can see the spices what I have added.
Sure. So
and the another,
बोलिए सर.
So this is my another one is मैं एक ऐसा स्कूल खोलना चाहता हूँ. उस स्कूल के अंदर केवल एक जो बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट है वो कोई क्वालिफिकेशन नहीं होगी, वो एक आइडिया होगा. उस आइडिया को अगले 6 महीने 1 साल के लिए मैं फंड करना चाहता हूँ कि आप बिजनेस टेक के लिए नहीं भागना. यू डू नॉट बॉदर अबाउट कि कौन फंडिंग देगा, यू डू नॉट बॉदर अबाउट कि कहाँ से फंडिंग मिलेगी, you do not bother about how you gonna execute this. You just have a good meal, a good sleep, focus on your invention only.
Wonderful.
That's all. इंडिया के अंदर हर रोज लाखों इन्वेंशन मारे जाते हैं, एक अच्छे
Yes.
अच्छे बड़े बड़े इन्वेंशन मारे जाते हैं, लैक ऑफ गाइडेंस, लैक ऑफ सपोर्ट, लैक ऑफ मनी। इस वजह से
Hmm.
आज हमारे बड़े बड़े डॉक्टर्स जो है
Hmm.
वो इतने बड़े आविष्कार करते हैं, लेकिन करते अमेरिका जाके।
True.
हमारे आईटी सेक्टर्स में बैठे हुए भाई, वो सब बहुत बड़े बड़े बनाते हैं, लेकिन लॉन्च कहाँ होता है? तो जो स्टार्टअप जितने भी है, 90% जो स्टार्टअप्स है, टेक्नोलॉजी है, वो सब इंडियंस की है, लेकिन उस चीज को कैश कौन करता है? अब्रॉड के लोग। और फिर हम कॉपी एंड पेस्ट में बिलीव करते हैं। ऊबर बहुत अच्छा बिजनेस चल रहा है वर्ल्ड के अंदर, व्हाई नॉट खोला? जबकि ये सारे इन्वेंशन हमारे ही हैं।
Good, good. Sen, can you tell
ये
us?
मेरा तीसरा रीजन था इंडिया वापस आने का, क्योंकि मेरा
Wow.
मानना है कि देखिए, जरूरी नहीं है देशभक्ति दिखाने के लिए आपको मशाल लेके रोड पे जाना पड़ेगा और बोलना पड़ेगा कि मेरा भारत महान। मेरा
Yeah,
भारत महान वहीं जब बनेगा जब आप भारत को महान बनाने के लिए कुछ करोगे।
true.
दैट इज माई
Wonderful.
थिंकिंग, ये मेरी अपनी सोच है। और शायद इसीलिए Samuel belongs to a family where it was very difficult for my parents to arrange a couple of meals on our plate. I ate
Yes.
leftover vegetables, leftover food. तो मैं
Hmm.
तो वहां से हूँ, और वहां से यहाँ आने के बाद में अगर मैंने उन्हीं के लिए, अपने उन जैसे भाई बहनों के लिए कुछ नहीं किया, देयर इज नो यूज। मैं तो आज कोट पहन के बैठ जाऊंगा, लेकिन
Oh,
जिनको जरूरत है, जिनको थोड़ी सपोर्ट की जरूरत है, अगर वो आगे बढ़ सकते हैं तो दैट विल बी ग्रेट।
wonderful. Wonderful. So where is your background? Can you tell us your family, father's forefather? कहाँ से? Where did you born? Where were you born?
मेरे जो फादर है, ही वाज ट्रक ड्राइवर। उससे पहले मजदूर भी थे।
Hmm.
मदर होम मेकर। एक बड़ी फैमिली से बिलोंग करता हूँ। आई हैड 4 सिस्टर्स एंड वी
और
आर 2 ब्रदर्स एंड वी लिव्स इन अ स्लम। बेसिकली छोटी छोटी झुग्गियों में, जैसे लोग स्लम एरिया में रहते हैं, वैसे रहा करता था। जैसे
which
मैंने
part
आपको
of which state? Which?
दिल्ली, दिल्ली में ये भोगल में था, जहाँ पर
Hmm.
रहा करते थे। तो अगर कभी बारिश आती थी तो पानी पूरा घर के अंदर होता था, और अगर आंधी आती थी तो जो टेम्परेरी शेड होती है वो कहीं उड़ ना जाए, उसको होल्ड करना पड़ता था।
Okay.
और जैसे मैंने बताया कि जो वेजिटेबल मंडी होती है, वो वेजिटेबल मंडी जो होती है वो 11 बजे वाइंड अप हो जाती है। देन माय पेरेंट्स और माय मॉम स्पेशली, she went there to collect some leftover vegetables where we started surviving. मैंने अपने पढ़ाई के लिए फैक्ट्रीज में जो कैंपा कोला की बोतलें वोतलें होती थी, उनको धोकर अपनी पढ़ाई का खर्चा उठाया।
Wow.
एंड जो मुझे करना था, आई एम नॉट आईएएस, आई एम नॉट आईपीएस।
Hmm.
शायद बन भी जाता, लेकिन जब तक मेरी उम्र निकल गई थी, मुझे पता ही नहीं था। जब
Same.
11th में आने के बाद में जब मैंने आर्ट साइड ली, तो मुझे पता चला कि अगर मैं कॉमर्स से होता तो अकाउंटेंट बन जाता, या फिर अगर साइंस से होता तो डॉक्टर बन सकता था। क्योंकि हमारे उसमें गाइडेंस कुछ नहीं थी। माय फादर वांट्स मी टू सी इन अ गवर्नमेंट जॉब। ही वाज
Hmm.
वेरी मच हैप्पी। ही यूज्ड टू गिव मी एग्जांपल, इफ यू विल be educated, you'll get a job like a peon and it will be a great। क्योंकि उनके लिए वो गवर्नमेंट सरकारी नौकरी थर्ड क्लास क्यों ना हो, पियोन की क्यों ना हो, उनके लिए वो बहुत ही
बहुत
बड़ी
बड़ी
चीज
बात
थी।
है। Yeah, it's a big thing. Very
बहुत
big
बड़ी
thing.
चीज।
Yeah.
तो जब धीरे धीरे करके फ्रेंड सर्कल में बड़ा होता गया, पता चलती चीजें पता चली। आई वेंट टू माई आईचम। जब मैं आईचम में गया, पहले दिन मैं इतना ज्यादा डिमोटिवेट हो गया था, ये सोच के, जिस क्लास में मैं बैठा था, मेरे राइट हैंड साइड पे जो लड़का बैठा था, वो उस समय के हमारे ऑनरेबल राष्ट्रपति जी रविशंकर दयाल शर्मा जी के पीए का लड़का था।
अरे बाप रे।
और लेफ्ट साइड में पराग कंपनी में टॉप मैनेजमेंट में जो उसके फादर थे, वो था।
You're on mute. Yeah, sorry.
तो
Yeah.
काफी डिमोटिवेट होगा। लेकिन फिर मैंने सोचा सोचे यार अचीवमेंट तो मेरी है, उनकी नहीं है।
Right. That's
If I'm
that's the
setting
word. That's the word. It's you. It's your life. It's your growth. True. हाँ.
गया फिर सर, काफी मेहनत की और 24 में से
It's on mute. Yeah.
मतलब चीजें मेहनत काफी थी। ये जर्नी आज से स्टार्ट नहीं हुई, जर्नी जब से स्टार्ट हुई है, जब से मैं पैदा हुआ हूँ।
Wonderful.
तो अगर मेरे जैसे कुछ लोगों को मैं अपने जैसा भी बना पाया इस लाइफ के अंदर, that will be a huge inspiration for them, support for them। जिस गाइडेंस के लिए, जो गाइडेंस मुझे नहीं मिली, वो गाइडेंस अगर मैं उनको दे सकूं तो वो चीज मुझे मिल जाएगी। My focus is not increasing zeros on my check or my balance sheet. My focus is how I'm gonna make heroes from zeros।
Oh,
मेरा
that's
फोकस
that's
इस चीज पे है।
that's wonderful.
जीरो लिविंग लाइफ में देखनी है, रियलिटी में देखनी है कि कितने हीरोज को मैं जीरो से हीरो बनाता हूँ।
Wow. Good. So that's your whole history, your whole background. If people can take something from that, and come out. And I really liked your school concept, hope that, we work together to build that school, maybe NRI Chaiwala School of Entrepreneurship or NRI Chaiwala School of
I'm looking for
Business, something. Yeah. Because
right,
you're saying, let people come with ideas, I will do the funding, it's such a totally different
right.
concept. And coming from zero, and you are a hero now. Can you tell us at the end, how are you trying to scale up through franchisee? Agar किसी को franchisee लेना है, if somebody wants to take franchisee of yours, what are the to-do list? Can you just tell us?
वेल मैं चाहता हूँ मेरे किसी भी अगर फूड की किसी को कोई फ्रेंचाइजी लेनी है, कहीं पर भी लेनी है, तो वो मेरे साथ में प्रॉफिट पे ना जुड़े कि
Okay.
प्रॉफिट कितना होगा। ही मस्ट हैव अ वेरी सॉलिड विजन कि वो क्यों फ्रेंचाइजी लेना चाहता है।
Okay.
बेसिकली फ्रेंचाइजी एक नए बिजनेसमैन को, एक नए एंटरप्रेन्योर को जिसको नॉलेज नहीं होती बिजनेस की किस तरीके से आगे ग्रो करना है, ही मस्ट गो फॉर अ फ्रेंचाइजी कॉन्सेप्ट। क्योंकि
Okay.
वो हम इतने एक्सपर्ट नहीं है, लेकिन एक्सपर्ट को हायर कर सकते हैं। पहले सीखे कि किस तरीके से काम होता है। अगर वो सीख जाते हैं 5-6 महीने पे, तो वो अपना खुद भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। एंड आई एम देयर टू सपोर्ट देम कि ठीक है, आप मेरी फ्रेंचाइजी ले रहे हैं, कॉन्सेप्ट
Yeah.
जो है उसमें साथ इन्वॉल्व हो। क्योंकि बेसिकली इन्वॉल्वमेंट बहुत ज़रूरी है, जिनके क्योंकि वही अपने शहर में मुझको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं वहाँ बैठ के। सो दे मस्ट हैव अ गुड थिंकिंग, गुड विजन एज़ वेल। तो फ्रेंचाइजी बहुत रीज़नेबल है। एक केवल चाय का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं, मल्टीपल कॉन्सेप्ट है मेरे पास में। मुझे कोई कहीं पर भी गूगल पे मेरा नंबर है, हर जगह मेरा नंबर है, वेबसाइट पे है, मुझे कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकता है। और अगर किसी को कोई स्टार्टअप में कोई सपोर्ट चाहिए, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली फ्रेंचाइजी, किसी भी स्टार्टअप में कोई सपोर्ट चाहिए तो डेफिनेटली मैं उनसे बात और उनको कुछ गाइडेंस सपोर्ट करना जरूर चाहूँगा अपने तरीके से।
Good. All right. Yeah. So it was a long journey coming from a small hut, coming from a, not even having a full meals for square or to eat. And today you're giving jobs to so many people. Roughly direct and indirect employees kitne honge aap? How many people work for your group?
When I had a cafe, I used to have about 75 employees. जो कि अभी पैंडेमिक में कैफे जो है रीओपन होंगे पैंडेमिक के बाद में, जैसे कॉर्पोरेट वापस आएगा। At present I have 35 employees, but I am a part of NRI Chaiwala, many different sectors as well. As I said about me, I have been featured more than 500 media. एक बायोपिक मेरे ऊपर बन रही है, मूवी बन रही है।
Yes, I want to talk about that. There is a biopic coming on Mr. Jagdish Kumar, on his life. Can you tell us a little bit about that? Who is the hero? What is the movie roughly?
देखिए मैं आपको बहुत ज्यादा, क्योंकि अभी केवल राइट्स मेरे पास से गए हैं, तो
हाँ,
अभी ज्यादा तो disclose नहीं कर सकता। हाँ, यस, इधर देयर इज अ 3 चॉइस, मनोज वाजपेयी, विकी कौशल और आयुष्मान खुराना।
wow.
वन ऑफ देम विल प्ले माय रोल। सेकंड इज एक बुक भी मेरे ऊपर लिखी जा चुकी है। वन ऑफ famous writer author Vikas Joly from Punjab. He wrote the book. Recently, I received Hind Ratan Award.
Mhm.
I'm director of global funding and media in charge for Kelo Masters.
Kilo Masters,
और
wow. Mm.
मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी ने मेरे ऊपर केस स्टडी बनाई है मैनेजमेंट स्टूडेंट्स के लिए।
Mm.
उनके यूजीसी जनरल्स में मेरी कहानी है। मैं खुद भी भूल रहा हूँ मुझे क्या क्या मिल गया।
Wow. No, that's something which other business students should know. All right. So reading business is different, doing business is totally different. See,
Yes.
from the books, we can read business, types of market analysis, acha funding. But doing business, so through our interview, we want to thank you, Jagdish Kumar, for telling us that, do something, not just, every funding, every person wants people to do, not to talk. All right. So many ideas are here. Ideas can talk here, but can we do it? Can we convert? And you're giving life to so many families and extended families. Yeah. Where is your office in Delhi? Can you tell us so that, we put everything for people to, yeah.
I had one office in Noida and
Mhm.
another one is Vivek Vihar, Delhi. And right now I'm in my IP extension office, which is very close to Anand Bihar Bus Adda.
Anand Vihar. Okay. Okay. Wow. So what's the final message to the students who are studying entrepreneurship? What is the message you want to give?
Well, I'll say work hard,
Hmm.
do not give up. Most important, do not get influence from anyone. Decide what you have to do. Whatever is you are doing is the best business of the world. जो
Hmm.
भी आप कर रहे हो, आप रबिश पिक करने का बिजनेस करना चाहते हो, दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा बिजनेस है।
Hmm.
आप इंजीनियर बनना चाहते हो, कुछ भी करना चाहते हो जिसमें आपका बिलीव है, आपकी एक्सपर्टाइज है, वो बहुत अच्छा बिजनेस है। आप किसी दूसरे को देख के कॉपी पेस्ट मत कीजिए कि आई एम इन्फ्लुएंस फ्रॉम एनआरआई चावला, विवेक बिंद्रा और एक्स वाई जेड।
Hmm.
जो आपके जिसमें आपकी एक्सपर्टाइज है वो बिजनेस कीजिए, उसको आगे बढ़िए, बट मस्ट हैव वेरी गुड नॉलेज। उसके साथ साथ आपको आगे की 2 साल की प्लानिंग मालूम होनी चाहिए कि मुझे कब और क्या एग्जीक्यूट करना है, किस लेवल पे एग्जीक्यूट करना है और किस तरीके से ये होगा। अगर
Okay.
वो चीज आपको मालूम है तो यू विल बी सक्सेसफुल। बाकी चैलेंजेस इतने आएंगे आपकी लाइफ में कि हर रोज आपके लिए होगा कि यार छोड़ो, आज कुछ और कर लेते हैं। आप
Wonderful.
लगे रहो, आप पड़े रहो, एक दिन जरूर सफलता मिलेगी और जिस दिन सफलता मिलेगी, आपका जितना भी स्ट्रगल होगा उससे ज्यादा आपको पे ऑफ करेगी। आई एम
Wow.
नॉट टॉकिंग गुड कि आपको पैसों पे ऑफ करेगी, आपको आपके सेटिस्फेक्शन में, फेम में, आपके अपने बिलीफ में अ, आप अच्छे बनिए। बहुत अच्छा एक डायलॉग मुझे याद आता है, देखिए मूवीज से भी बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। अमीर खान की एक मूवी थी थ्री इडियट, उन्होंने कितना अच्छा बोला है कि आप अ, सफलता आपके पीछे अपने आप चली जाती है, अपने आप आ
Hmm.
जाती है, ठीक है? तो वही सारे काम करने हैं, हमको गिव अप नहीं करना, जिस चीज़ में हमारा बिलीव है वो चीज़ करिए, किसी और से इन्फ्लुएंस होके वही सेम बिज़नेस मत करिए कि मैंने अग्रवाल जी को देख लिया, ओयो का बिज़नेस बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा है तो मैं भी कर लेता हूँ, मैंने इसको देख लिया तो वो कर लेता हूँ, नहीं। जिस चीज़ को आपका मन करता है, आपको अच्छी नॉलेज हो, उसमें आगे बढ़िए आप और सफलता ज़रूर मिलेगी आपको।
Wonderful. So, Jagdish Kumar ji, we want to thank you and we want to promise you that me as a faculty and a professor of entrepreneurship startups, and with my students, we want to give our commitment. We want to support you for any work, digital marketing or writing up stories or scaling up your online presence, and definitely, we want you to come from Delhi to South and establish and scale up and let the whole India know that there are some people who are destined to build a nation. All right. So thank you so much. And my dear viewers, all the links, Sir's website, Sir's Instagram, his products, his videos, and all his interviews. He has given even Josh Talks, amazing Josh Talks videos. So everything will be in the description below. Kindly, follow sir on Instagram. And I wish many B schools, please invite Mr. Jagdish Kumar to your B school, and you will see the best, from a zero to a hero, from unsung heroes. And so proud, sir, that you've done great job for our country, and you taught us so many things. I wish that this video goes, in a real-time learning to a lot of B schools. And we want to thank you again on behalf of VIT AP University and VIT AP School of Business. And once everything goes well, we wish to invite you to our campus and let everybody get blessed. Yeah. All right, Sergi. Thank you. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Samuel, and thank you all the listeners. Looking forward. बहुत जल्दी एक स्कूल लेके आऊंगा जहां पर इस देश का गरीब बच्चा जो है कोई क्वालिफिकेशन नहीं चाहिए, कोई पैसा नहीं चाहिए, बस एक सपना हो उसका और कुछ इन्वेंशन हो उसकी, उसको ग्रो करने के लिए बहुत जल्दी एक स्कूल लेके आऊंगा. And thank you, Samuel, for giving me this platform to share my views for many people. I really appreciate. I'm very much thankful to you. Thank you,
sir. We have a long way to go. All right. So, thank you, sir. Have a safe day. Thank you so much.